Hi everyone! Another po na unboxing natin ng Shopee order ko. So, if you want to find out kung ano yung i-unbox ko, please stay with me until the end of this video. JAM-STER here. I perspire to inspire, not to expire.
Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button for notifications.
Are you ready? Because I am so ready and I am so excited. So here it is. Ta-da! Not once, but twice. Dalawa po yung bubuksan natin ngayon. So, ano kaya yung i-unbox natin? Yung unahin natin is, ito po. Ayan, unahin natin to. So, this one, actually, yung in-order ko sa Shopee is, of course, one of the gadgets na gagamitin ko for vlogging. So, I am so happy for this dahil ganda yung voice quality ko natin. So, let's open this. Ayan. I ordered this from Shopee noong August 5. And na-ship ni seller August 6. Nakarating ito kahapon. I received it August 13. Ayan. Ayan. Actually, this is charan! So excited for this. It is a dual head Lavalier mic lapel clip-on condenser microphone. Sahin ko na lang Sabi dito, a Remic Lavalier clip-on omnidirectional condenser microphone is designed for vocal or video use and provides clear and accurate voice recording experience to the user. Performs significantly better than the majority of the built microphones, making it ideal for all sorts of recording use and others. Okay, our quality guaranteed professional grade microphone is lightweight, lightweight siya, and is suitable for film, interviews, television, auditorium, and classroom setting, and whatever it may be necessary to record audio in broadcast quality. Yung binili ko actually is 1.5 meters. Meron kasi na 6 meters. So sabi ko, mostly kasi sinushoot ko lang na malapit sa akin, so it's okay na may lang yung cable niya. So ano pang sabi dito? Basta, yun na yun. Okay. So tingnan natin, buksan na natin, no? Naka-scotch tape eh. Ganda, seal na seal. Tingin ulit sa box. Okay. Yan siya. Yan! Tingnan natin kung kompleto yung mga accessories niya. So, sabi dito, yung package includes 1 dual head microphone, 4 na clips, 4 na microphone sponge caps, 1 microphone bag, 2 windshields, 1 Android adapter, and 1 digital SLR camera adapter cable. Ayan, makikita ko na yung bag niya. Eto. Wow. So nice. Hi. Beth. Ayan ha, tingnan natin kung complete. This one, ito na yung, kasama na yung clip. Na siya kasi nakita ko sa mga ibang product, hindi pa naka-attach yung clip niya. Kailangan na ikaw pa yung mag-attach. Ayan siya. Dual head. Then, ano pa yung kasama sa bag? Uy, ito yung windshield. Kapag outside ka nag-film o nag-shoot, na malakas yung hangin, kailangan mo nito. Ayan. Ito yung kailangan. 1 windshield. Ito, yung pangalawa. So, check tayo, 2 windshield. Ayan. Gandang hawakan. Ito, alam ko adapter. Adapter sa may digital camera adapter dito. Tapos, ito, actually kasi dalawa dito yung sponge cups niya. Kasama na, yung 4 na sabi niya, kasama na ito, yung naka-attach na. Ayan, 2 sponge cups. 2. Plus here, so, 4 lahat. So, check na check. Then, I think this one is a Android adapter ba? Hindi ako sure which one. Yung adapter na Android. At saka, adapter ng digital SLR camera. Not sure. I will try na lang. Pero ito siya. Yan. So, complete tayo ha. Check na check. Complete complete yung accessories. I'm so happy because kailangan ko ang message kay seller. Yung price ni dual head lapel microphone is 529 pesos from 1,024. Plus shipping fee po yan na 100. Depende po sa location nyo kung saan kayo. Kasi sa amin malayo, so 100. And then, take note, may minus to. Minus coins ko. Alam mo magkano yung coins ko? Ha? Tumataginting na 1 peso. Total payment is 628 pesos. But you know what? I am so happy. Why? Hindi kasi ako yung nagbayad nito. So, thank you to my sister. Sister ko. Sponsor ng aking lapel mic. I'm so happy kasi yung sister ko, very supportive. Very supportive. Kahit anong gagawin ko, ayan. Nagbibigay siya. So, I'm so blessed having my sister. Parang iiyak na ako. Okay, count natin na. Check ulit. Diba ito? Ito yung lapel mic natin with the sponge cups na tsaka clip-ons. Plus nito, so apat lahat. Yung sponge cups and clip-ons. And then, dalawang windshields. Check. And then, and the adapter. I don't know which one is for DSLR kasi hindi pa ako nagagamit ng DSLR. Ito. So, check na check. And then, yung bag niya as in, kulang na lang is i-audio test na lang natin. So, later, I will do that. I will just add sa video ko yung audio test nito. Next, nabubuksan natin. So, why did I buy this? Kasi, kulang yung storage ng aking cellphone. Kasi marami na akong video sa cellphone ko. Sabi ko, sige, bibili na lang ako nito. Akala ko kasi masyadong mahal. But I check it with Shopee. Yay! So happy. This is, alam ko may idea na kayo. May SD card. Ayan. SD card. Sandisk. Yung binili ko, may option doon kasi na mayroong 8GB, 32GB, 64GB, and I think 128GB. So yung binili ko is 64GB kasi I think this is the most na capacity ng cellphone ko na kaya na memory. Okay, depende kasi daw sa model ng cellphone. Option niya is up to 100 MB/s, read speed, write speed lower. Based on internal testing, performance may be lower depending on host device, interface, usage conditions, and other factors. Ewan ko, basta ito na. Buksan natin. Let's open it. Let's cut this. Yan. So, after this, I'm gonna use it na. Agad-agad. Now na. So, the price of the SD card is 229. Siyempre, yung shipping fee niya is 100 pesos. And then, I'm so happy. Salamat sa kay seller. May shop voucher siya na 8 pesos. So, the total is 321. Taran! Yung adapter. And then this is the SD card. I ordered it August 6 and then na-ship ni seller August 6 din on the day. And then I received this kanina lang, August 14. Audio test po tayo if this functions well. Okay, tingnan. Ito yung pala yung I already found out. This one is the adapter for the cell phone. Yeah. Let's put this on my cell phone and click on. Okay, testing. Testing. Sound check. Sound check. 1, 2, 3. Sound check. 1, 2, 3. So, can you hear me? Maririnig nyo ba ako? Bakit walang sumasagot? Hindi natin yung external mic na. Okay. Sound check. So, what's the difference? Can you hear kung ano yung difference ng lapel mic at saka yung sa built-in na microphone sa cellphone natin? So, Okay ba? So that ends our video, and I am so satisfied with the products that I received, yung lapel mic and then the SD card. So hopefully that I can really give the best quality videos para po sa inyo.
Thank you for watching, and hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. And next time, sana kasama ko pa rin kayo sa another unboxing natin ng aking Shopee order. So thank you again, and God bless. See you next time!